Imagine you've just opened your new restaurant. Everything is set up, the food is ready, and the customers are starting to arrive. But then you realize you can't find a table for the next group. Panic sets in. How could this have happened? This is a nightmare scenario for any restaurant owner, but it can be easily avoided with the right POS system. Today, we're going to show you how to add a table to TouchBistro, a popular POS system used by restaurants around the world. Understanding the importance of tables in TouchBistro. Before we dive into the steps, let's understand why tables are so important in TouchBistro. When you add a table to your system, you're creating a virtual space where orders can be taken, processed, and tracked. This helps you manage your restaurant's flow, keep track of sales, and provide better service to your customers. Step-by-step guide to adding a table. Access the table screen. The first step is to find the table screen. This is usually located in the main menu of your TouchBistro system. Look for an icon or option labeled Tables or something similar. Create a new table. Once you're on the table screen, you'll typically see a button or option to add a new table. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to enter some information about the table. Enter table details. The information you'll need to provide will vary depending on your TouchBistro setup, but it will likely include table number. This is the unique identifier for the table. Seats. The number of seats available at the table. Section. If your restaurant is divided into sections, e.g., bar, dining room, you may need to specify which section the table belongs to. Status. This indicates whether the table is available, occupied, or dirty. Additional options. Some TouchBistro systems may offer additional options when creating a table, such as table layout. This allows you to specify the arrangement of seats at the table. Table notes. This lets you add any relevant notes or comments about the table. Save the table. After entering the required information, save the table to your TouchBistro system. You should now see the newly created table listed on the table screen. Tips and tricks. Use table numbers strategically. Choose table numbers that are easy to remember and understand for both your staff and customers. Consider table size and layout. Think about the size of your tables and how they fit into your restaurant layout. This can help you maximize seating capacity and improve customer flow. Utilize table status. Regularly update the status of your tables to ensure that your staff knows which tables are available and which are occupied. Take advantage of additional features. If your TouchBistro system offers additional features related to tables, explore them to see how they can benefit your restaurant's operations. Troubleshooting common issues. If you encounter any problems when adding tables to TouchBistro, here are some common issues and solutions. Table numbers already exist. If you try to create a table with a number that is already in use, you'll receive an error message. Make sure you choose a unique number for each table. Incorrect section assignment. If you're having trouble assigning a table to the correct section, double-check your section settings and make sure you're selecting the right option. Table status not updating. If the status of a table is not updating correctly, ensure that your staff is using the correct procedures for marking tables as available, occupied, or dirty. Adding tables to TouchBistro is a crucial step in setting up your restaurant's POS system. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily create and manage tables, ensuring that your restaurant runs smoothly and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.